Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Social Security Benefits. We hope you are doing great. Seniors on a Social Security SSI, SSDI or VA will get $2,000 stimulus checks. Seniors receiving Social Security SSI, SSDI or veterans benefits are slated to receive $2,000 stimulus checks, providing a vital support amidst rising living costs and economic challenges. The proposed stimulus would benefit over 48 million Social Security retirees, with eligibility likely extending to individuals irrespective of income level. SSI recipients averaging just over $600 monthly, and SSDI beneficiaries including disabled workers and adult children are also expected to qualify. Veterans receiving compassions or pension benefits, around 5 million individuals are included through criteria for veterans with other benefits like education or insurance are still under discussion. Legislation details may evolve, potentially introducing income thresholds akin to our previous stimulus rounds to target a lower to middle income seniors. Additionally, age and relationship status could influence eligibility. Stimulus payments would be processed similarly to previous programs, with direct deposit for those with electronic banking and paper checks for others. The Social Security Administration and VA might oversee distribution for the respective beneficiaries. The rollout could take several weeks, employing phased delivery waves to manage the volume. Efforts will be made to educate seniors on the process and the potential impacts on exciting federal benefits. Clear communication and support services will be essential to ensure a smooth distribution and address any inquiries during the rollout. Stakeholders, including advocacy groups and federal agencies, will shape the final parameters of this initiative aimed at supporting all the Americans facing economic challenges. The $2,000 stimulus checks offer a crucial lifeline, supplementing exciting benefits and alleviating financial strain. It represents a targeted effort to assist a vulnerable population hit hard by COVID-related distributions and inflationary pressures. As the discussion progresses, the focus will be on ensuring equitable distribution and minimizing bureaucratic hurdles. Public outreach will play a key role in informing seniors about the stimulus process and potential implications for their benefits. Ultimately, this initiative underscores a commitment to supporting seniors, individuals with disabilities, and veterans who have contributed significantly to society. It reflects a recognition of their needs and a concerted effort to provide meaningful assistance during challenging times. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in next episode. Till then, take care.